To use a ReadyCARD prepaid card online, start by ensuring you have a valid card with sufficient funds. Next, go to the website of the merchant or service provider where you want to make a purchase. Select the items or services you wish to buy and proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout page, look for the payment options and select the credit or debit card option. Although your ReadyCARD is a prepaid card, it can be used like a credit or debit card for online transactions. You will be asked to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of your card. The expiration date is the month and year printed on the front of your card. And the security code is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Enter your card details carefully and make sure to enter the correct billing address associated with your ReadyCARD. This is the address you provided when you registered your card. If you are not sure about your billing address, you can check your card documentation or contact the card issuer for assistance. Once you have entered your card details and billing address, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with your order, click the Pay or Submit button to complete the transaction. You will then be redirected to a confirmation page where you can see the status of your transaction. If your transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation email from the merchant with details of your purchase. You can also check your ReadyCARD account online to see the transaction details and your updated balance. To avoid any issues with your online transactions, make sure to keep your ReadyCARD details and billing address up to date. And always monitor your account activity to prevent unauthorized transactions. Additionally, ensure that your card has sufficient funds before making a purchase online. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your ReadyCARD prepaid card online securely and easily. Remember to always keep your card details safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account.